Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the command prompt is opening and closes basically immediately after opening. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung task scheduler. Ayan. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. And then, once na-open mo na itong task scheduler, so dito lang sa left side menu. And under dito sa task scheduler local. And then, select mo lang dito yung task scheduler library. So, kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Microsoft. So, double-click ka lang. And dito sa Microsoft ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Office. Alright? So, dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-click one time. So, click mo lang siya. And dito lang sa right side mga kaibigan ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Office Background Task Handler Registration. Alright? So, kapag nakita mo na dito yung Office Background Task Handler Registration ay kailangan mo lang mag-disabled or i-disabled mo siya. Okay? So, select mo lang yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung disabled. Alright? So, once nagawa mo na yan and then close mo lang itong task scheduler, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to delete the auto-run key from a registry. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. So, dito lang sa search for app. So, type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa registry editor at dito lang sa computer under dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machines. So, double click ka lang dito. So, select and double click. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung software. So, double click ulit. And dito sa software, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Microsoft. So, double click ulit. And then dito sa Microsoft and then next, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung command processor, right? So, ito siya. So, ang gagawin mo dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-click one time. And then, dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung auto-run. So, select mo lang yung auto-run and then kailangan lang natin itong i-delete. Okay? So, click mo lang dito yung delete. And then, confirm value delete. So, click yes. And then after dito sa registry editor and then close lang natin. And other solutions is to perform a clean boot mga kaibigan. Alright, so kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. And then pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na msconfig. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na msconfig, small letter in one word, and then i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, next step, so dito sa system configurations, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung services tab, so click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito sa services tab, so kailangan mo lang i-check dito yung hide all Microsoft services, i-click mo lang tong box, and then i-click mo lang dito yung disable all. Alright? So, once na-click mo na tong disable all and then hide all Microsoft services, and then dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung startup tabs. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung open task managers. Click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa startup apps, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-disable ito mga kaibigan na apps. Alright? So, select ka lang dito and then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung disabled. So, kailangan one by one mga kaibigan, i-disable lahat dito yung startup apps. Alright? So, after dito sa task manager and then next step, So, dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix command prompt opens and closes immediately, keeps crashings in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.